What do you call this in English? This is a nut. This is a bolt. These are screws. This is a washer. This is a screwdriver. This is a wrench. This is a monkey wrench. This is a hex key or Allen wrench. What is this called? Put your guess in the comments. Your English will be so much better by the end of 2026. How? Let me show you. Fluently gives you a speaking partner who's always available. Hey Stacy, what is a bolt?
Most commonly, it's a metal fastener used with a nut.
And between calls, you fix your pronunciation sound by sound. Grow your vocabulary through games. Start. Man. Start improving your English with Fluently today and thank yourself by the end of 2026.